everyone, welcome back to my channel. And we are meeting after a very long time, almost after a week. And as I told you on my Instagram stories that my family members were not doing well, fortunately or unfortunately they were diagnosed with typhoid and now they are completely fine, and I feel okay to produce this content and make the video. So that's why I am making this video for you people. Right now I don't have any makeup on my face except lipstick, which is a Swiss Beauty lip cream in the shade Very Nude, and I just love this lip shade. Please let me know if you want to see affordable lipstick collection in my next video. So now coming back to the topic, this video is all about top 5 under rupees 500. So these are the products which I really like, and it includes makeup, skincare and hair care. So teeny tiny bits of everything. So let's get started and see what are the products and why I like them. So starting off with my absolute favorite, and I have finished almost like 4-5 bottles of it. So this is Garnier Micellar Water, which is oil infused. It retail for approx 399 rupees for 400 ml of product. It actually works wonder on your skin because it removes makeup so well. All the waterproof makeup which you have applied will go in minutes with this oil infused cleanser. It comes in this 400 ml of water, which is huge. It actually lasts you long for almost 4-5 months if you use it rigorously daily as well. And guys, you just need to shake it and you can take the product right here and apply to remove your makeup. In fact, if you're not a makeup person, then also before going to sleep you can remove your face dirt out of it, and then clean your face and apply your nighttime skincare routine. It is going to do wonders on your skin then as well. This is for all skin type and I really like it, and I highly recommend you guys, if you are a makeup person or not a makeup person, you should definitely have this product. Second best product, which is under rupees 500, is this Degya face pack in Rose and Muleti. This is for skin brightening. I'm not sure about skin brightening, but it has definitely improved my skin texture, and I have talked a lot about this face mask in my previous video, which I'm going to link in the description box. This retail for 490 rupees, and this is absolutely natural and handmade product. You are getting 200 ml of quantity for 490 rupees. It is absolutely herbal, as I said, and it is having a fragrance of rose powder or dried rose leaves in it, and it is very good for your skin. It works as a mild exfoliator as well. If you don't use exfoliator much, you can just scrub your face out of this face mask and then wash it off after 10-15 minutes. It is going to remove dirt out of your skin, and your skin will instantly look brighter and healthier. So this is very good product if you are looking for anything natural and handmade, and you can buy it from their website or also Instagram store. I am going to link that down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Third product is related to hair care, which is Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. This is the first time I have used it. I have never used this shampoo before, and today I have washed my hair with this shampoo only, and oh my god, I just love this shampoo in the first use only. My hair is lot more smoother than before, and also I could definitely see that the frizz which was there in my hair has reduced to approx 50%, I would say. The only problem I found in this shampoo is that I tried to make a lot of lather out of it, but I was unable to. I think that's because it is having very less chemical content in it. So it retailed for 399 rupees, but I got it for 320 rupees for Amazon, and you can definitely get it on discount whenever and wherever offer are going on. It is having apple cider vinegar, which is very good for your hair. It is 100% natural and raw Himalayan apple cider vinegar. Helps remove buildups, restore shine and smoothness. And the quantity you are getting for 399 rupees is 300 ml, which is a nice quantity. And you are getting pump packaging in it, which actually makes sure that you take the shampoo which is required and not more than that. And yeah, if you're looking for any shampoo which is herbal and also works on your dry and damaged hair, then I would recommend this shampoo to you people. And now coming back to the makeup, which is my favorite part, I would like to suggest you two products. The first one is a concealer. So it is going to be obviously Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which retail for approx 400 something, but I got for 200 rupees, yeah, 260 rupees from Amazon. And you can definitely get your hands on it from Amazon whenever it is on discount. And right now on Nykaa it is on 20% off, so you can try this out. My shade in this is medium. I love this concealer because it does not crease and also hide your dark circles up to like 70-80%. If you will build up this product, it is going to hide your dark circles 100%. And yeah, so that's why I like it. If you are a makeup person, I would highly recommend you to take this product right now if it is on discount. The last product which I wanted to recommend you people is Nykaa nail paint. I know that Nykaa nail paint are overpriced. This one, Nykaa matte nail lacquer, is retail for 199 rupees, which is very high price for a nail paint, but I got it for 149 for this one and 139 for this one, which is a decent price if you're getting nice nail paint which is going to stay on your nails for good 4 to 5 days, which is very good timing, like long stay. So this is in the shade Milk Chocolate, and this is what I have applied on my nails right now. You can see how gorgeous this nail paint is. This is a very kind of a chocolatey nude shade, and I really like this nail paint on my nails. And this is absolutely matte one. And the second nail paint is Almond Crumble. This is a little lighter shade than the previous one, and I got it for 139 rupees. And yeah, this is also very nice shade with a very nice review on the website. So if you are looking for something matte which is going to look gorgeous on your nails like this one, so I would recommend you to go for Nykaa nail paint. So yeah guys, that was my all top 5 under 500 rupees. I hope you like this video. If you do so, then don't hesitate to hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is vlog with Rubal. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.